Hey there, welcome back to my channel and good to see you guys. Now, have you ever thought about a career in digital marketing? It's hot right now. So in this video, I'll share 6 tips to get you started fast. By the way, my name is Mahesh Sopari from Kolabic and I make a living online with digital affiliate marketing like traffic, affiliate programs and building my email list. You know, I've been at it for 6 years working from home. So I've seen a lot of what works and what doesn't. So if you want to learn my method for making money online, it's all about traffic and proven products. Check the link below for more details and it's my top recommendation. And also guys, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free. So as I said, in this video, I'm going to share 6 tips to help you step into digital marketing. You're ready? Hop into my screen and let's get started. Alright, tip number 1, discover if digital marketing excites you. Steve Jobs once said, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Don't get me wrong guys, no, we are not here to follow your lifelong passion blindly, but it's crucial to see if digital marketing is something you enjoy. Ask yourself, do you genuinely enjoy promoting services or products and receiving constant feedback? Are you comfortable working with data and metrics to hit goals? Do you love achieving results and experimenting with strategies? Are you okay with doing extensive research on competitors, target markets, and ideal customers? Can you collaborate effectively with others to achieve big goals? Are you excited about learning new things, facing new challenges, and curious about every new task? If you can check all these boxes, congratulations, you are likely to enjoy a career in digital marketing. Now let's go with tip number 2, understanding the different roles in digital marketing. There are various roles within digital marketing and it's essential to understand each one to see which resonates with you. Some key areas include number 1, content marketing, creating and promoting content to attract and retain customers. 2, SEO, nothing but search engine optimization, optimizing content to rank high on Google search or any search engines. 3rd, digital analytics, analyzing data to improve marketing strategies. 4, PPC, nothing but pay-per-click, managing paid advertising campaigns. 5, social media marketing, promoting brands on social media platforms. Email marketing, sending targeted emails to engage customers. And 7, e-commerce marketing, promoting online stores and products. Check out my recent blog on digital marketing. Okay, it's a complete beginner's guide. I also have a video tutorial. You can please check this from the description down below and learn more about each area. Now let's move with tip number 3, get hands-on experience. So if you want to start a career in digital marketing but lack experience, the best approach is DIY. Do it yourself. And here is how. First one is SEO experience. Start a blog using WordPress, perform keyword research, create a content calendar with SEO keywords, publish articles and track your keyword rankings. Second, digital analytics experience. Build a website, implement analytics tracking, follow Google's official step-by-step guide for GA4 tracking and use Google Data Studio to create dashboards and insights. Third one is social media experience. Start a YouTube, LinkedIn or Instagram channel, post regularly, build your following and consider investing in ads for hands-on experience. You can also set up a Shopify online shop and launch campaigns to drive traffic. Document your projects, milestones, strategies, learnings and achievements to create a strong portfolio showcasing your skills. Tip number 4, earn certifications. Digital marketing is technical and certifications can help you prove your skills and knowledge, especially when you're starting. Choose highly recognized certifications in the industry. You don't need many, but 1 or 2 can make a significant difference. For example, Google Analytics certification, ideal for those interested in digital analytics. Second, Meta Blueprint certification, great for aspiring social media marketers. Third, other certifications like Google Ads, HubSpot and SEMrush certification. So research the courses, analyze them based on your goals and highlight them on your resume, LinkedIn profile or personal site. Now let's move with tip number 5. Highlight relevant experience in your resume. When crafting your resume, focus on relevant experience related to the role you are applying for. Link your past duties to business or project outcomes with measurable results. Digital marketing is performance driven and requires collaboration. Demonstrate both hard and soft skills. Hard skills mention like specific achievements like the percentage of traffic increase or revenue uplift you drove and the strategies you used. Soft skills describe how you worked with cross-functional teams to ensure campaign success or highlight significant projects if you lack work experience. Keep your resume concise, no more than 2 pages, okay? And include a personal portfolio if you have one. And last, tip number 6, apply and connect with hiring teams. Finally, it's time to apply for jobs. Start with well-known local and global job search platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, Monster, and Simply Hired. Here are some additional steps. Look for digital marketing roles and tailor your resume for each application. And visit their career websites for open vacancies and submit your applications. And if you know someone in the hiring team, connect with them on LinkedIn and send your resume directly. Submitting applications on both job platforms and company websites can increase your chances of being noticed. And also we'll be cover how to prepare for digital marketing job interviews in our future episodes. You know, starting a career in digital marketing isn't as hard as you might think. Get your hands dirty quickly, and along the way, you'll discover which specific area excites you the most. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more digital growth strategies, affiliate marketing tips, make money online strategies, and product software reviews. And guys, if you'd like to learn more about how I make $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description and watch the free masterclass. And as promised, there is a special bonus for you. I'm offering a 2,500 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle. In this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with the like-minded individuals. So if in case you like to claim this, I request you to please visit the second link from the description. Thanks for watching this video guys, and best of luck on your journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.